What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I just want to wish you and your family a happy and healthy new year.
Nerf this!
With that being said, I just want to say be aware of your surroundings. If you do get a little too intoxicated, always phone a friend or do the AAA Tipsy Toe, Uber, Lyft. There's so many options for you. Just be safe. Have fun bringing in the new year with those you love the most. Tomorrow starts the first day of 365 opportunities. 365 pages of a brand new book, a brand new chapter in that book we call life that you can really make to conquer whatever it is that you want to do. I think a lot of the times people know what they need to do, they just don't do it, and for whatever reason that is, I really think it's that simple. Stop holding yourself back. Stop making excuses for yourself. Stop rationalizing why you're not doing the things that you need to do in order to get where you want to be. It's that simple. I know that life gets in the way. I know there's going to be obstacles in your path. I know times are going to get tough. There's going to be strains on you physically, mentally, financially. I know all that because I've been through all that just like you. So make sure that you make 2019 your year. If you're going to say new year, new you, really make it happen. Stop just saying it. If you fall off the wagon, get back on and be as consistent as you possibly can. If there's one thing that I've learned in 2018, it's that life can literally end tomorrow. We are never promised the next day. So make sure that you're going out and living life to the fullest, because there's people who are so much worse off than you that pray for the things that you have, just like that you pray for things that you don't have. Make the most of what you got and make it happen. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all the support, all the love on the channel. It means so much to me. I really want to take this channel to the next level in 2019, and that is my goal. I am gonna pump out as much content as I possibly can, as much high quality content as I possibly can, all for you. So again, thank you again for watching. Thank you again for liking this video. Thank you for subscribing and tuning in and leaving comments and giving me feedback, positive or negative. I really do appreciate it. Let's crush 2019 together. If you're in a bad spot, if you ever just need someone to vent to, send me an email, shoot me a DM on Instagram. I link it all in the description box below. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching. My name is Sean Lunny, and each and every video I do try to make you the best version of you. I release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started, and that is not changing in 2019. Big things coming. Thanks so much, guys. Happy New Year. Signing off.